Alright, this is my last take of this. Oh my god. Guys, this is hard. Alright, so welcome to my channel. My name is Iman Coupe and this is my channel, Copycat, where we're going to be copying and recreating our favorite looks. Do it. Now, what I thought would be the greatest idea for my first video for this, to launch this whole little like channel business, was to recreate a look from the most recent Met Gala. I don't know if you guys saw how the looks were, like what the looks were, but it was pretty bleak. I don't know if you guys were. I was kind of disappointed, I'm not gonna lie. I was a little disappointed, but you know what? I found some things that I think I could recreate and that I liked. So my favorite look, which I thought was like really camp. Actually, my favorite look I would say was Lady Gaga. Like, I mean, let's be honest, like she was the best one out there. Like she just like, it was like a performance, which is camp. But I thought J-Lo was actually a pretty good look. And I did like Kim Kardashian. All the Kardashians look like, obviously they were gonna rock it. But I wanted to combine J-Lo's look at the Met Gala and Kim Kardashian's after party Met Gala look. So yeah, so we're gonna basically kind of just like mix it up and see what happens. Alright, so what you're gonna need is, you're gonna need a little something like this. And I tried to theme it by like, you know, the Jared Leto look. His look was pretty interesting and I just like loved the head thing. Oh my god, especially this picture with like all the Kardashians and him with the head. Like, oh my god, it's like an iconic moment. But actually, okay, so I went on a slight tangent after that, but you're definitely gonna need the styrofoam head. You're also gonna need some E6000 glue, some glitter fabric, probably not as much, some feathers, some short beaded appliques, and then some long beaded appliques. And we want different textures and beading going on. I got two different types. And then you're also gonna need a spandex cap. You wanna make sure it's extra stretchy because you wanna make sure your hair and everything can fit inside. This one's a pretty old one, so it definitely fits on my head. You're also gonna need some sewing pins, a scissor, some little small precision scissors, a pin, and some latex gloves. Now, I bought all of my stuff at a store called Nazim in Al Ain, UAE. It's like a textile fabric shop, but if you're in the States, you might want to go to Joann's or Michael's, and that's where you'll get the appliques and the fabrics. All right, let's go to the tutorial.
My face is the front of shop. My face is the real shop front. My shop is the fix that front. I'm real when I shop my face. My face is the front of shop. My face is the real shop front. My shop is the fix that front. I'm real when I shop my face. My face is the front of shop. My face, my face. My face is the real shop front. My face, my face. My shop is the fix that front. My face, my face. I'm real when I shop my face. My face. My face is the real shop front. My shop is the fake side front. I'm real when I shop my face. My face is the front of shop. My face is the real shop front. My shop is the fake side front. I'm real when I shop my face. My face is the front of shop, front of shop, front of shop. My face is the real shop front. My shop is the fake side front, 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 front. I'm real when I shop my face. My face, my face. My face, my face. My face, my face.
Okay guys, good morning. It is the next day. That was vigorous. That was tough. It wasn't tough. It wasn't tough. It was actually pretty easy. It was just time consuming. But I am so happy with the results. I'm like shook, guys. All right, let's just bring Jared out because like I keep on looking at him. I'm so excited. Look at you, shimmy, shimmy. Wait, let me fix him up. Let me fix him up. Okay, okay. Guys, shimmy, shimmy. Are you seeing this? It is gorgeous. I'm like, I wasn't expecting this. Like seriously, I'm so excited. Yeah, I really highly suggest you take out your pins because if you don't take out the pins, I feel like they might get stuck in there with the glue because I mean I was sticking the pins like in the glue with the appliques and the fabric. So you definitely want to take those out before you let it set overnight. Or like a little tough to take out. So I really suggest that. But and I suggest also taking off the headpiece off of the head before you let it set as well. That way it just can unstick because the glue did seep in. And yeah, I have some news, guys. Jared kind of went through something. Let's unveil. Poor Jared. Yeah, he got kind of really messed up during this whole process. I think we're gonna have to put Jared to rest. So I'm sorry, Jared. Rest in peace, Jared. But like he'll probably stay actually. Like, because I'm gonna probably keep this headpiece. I can't really keep this headpiece anywhere else. But alright, so Jared, you're back, but a little brain damage. Alright. Just looks so good. Alright guys, so that is the look. Now let's put on this little headdress before this thing turns off. Okay, so it doesn't fit like this. Okay. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. The spandex cap did not end up stretching, so it is a little tighter than what was expected. I had to like tie up my hair and put it back, but I mean it's no biggie. I would just say to maybe cut it and then probably put an elastic band within it so it could stretch and like open and close. And I mean that's like the only thing I would say that I would do differently. Otherwise, like I am like actually super proud of myself. Like guys, I'm super proud of myself. Like I love this. It's so cute. Like adorable. Oh my goodness. Okay, after many attempts of trying to say goodbye, I cannot say goodbye to you guys. I don't know, like my heart is breaking a little bit. or I'm just awkward as hell. But I mean, it doesn't really matter what it is. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching all the way through. Please like and subscribe. And please tell me if you thought that the look was good. Comment down below if you thought it was good. If you think I'm crazy, it doesn't really matter. It's okay. Alright, but thank you so much for watching. And if you decide to create your own like head cap, or I don't know what this is called actually, but if you decide to make this as well, please DM me at